Hi all, welcome to GUVI's official attempt for the Guinness World Record. Okay, happy to be part of it, and we all welcome you to be part of our family. So first go to GUVI.in, okay, and then log in if you have already created an account. If not, go and do a sign up and then get it started. So it is totally 24 hours. It starts from 24th 6 p.m. to 25th 6 p.m. So you have to take it. So once you log in, this is the first page which you should get into it. So here you will have a video, okay, followed by few details which you have to enter, and these details are the one which would come in the certificate. So please be careful about what you enter. Okay, so fill the correct details. Okay, so after that choose a language. Okay, so the language could be English, Tamil, Hindi, whichever it is, and all the languages will have the same content. There is no difference in the stuff. Okay, only the voice conversation might be different. Okay, so and come to the terms and condition. These are the five things which you need to remember. So by default it will go into the full screen mode. So when you get started with the thing, so don't skip it or escape it. Okay, don't switch tabs or refresh. So those are the things which will disqualify you, and you don't have a choice to fast forward. If you do it by any means, you will be disqualified. Okay, and complete all the video and the quiz. Okay, the first video is the prime video where you will be taught Python. Okay, so complete the video, and then the quizzes in this that would be focused towards the basics of Python. Okay, and if you complete that video alone, you will be eligible for it. The video would be somewhere around 30 plus minutes. So okay, so with that I agree and then get into the stuff. Okay, this is a double confirmation checkbox, so to confirm that data is correct. Okay, so whatever you have done it, so confirm yes, the data is correct for me. Okay, I go here. Okay, so these are the two lessons. First is the basics of Python, second one is a face recognition app. Okay, so completing the first lesson is good enough to get the qualify for the attempt. Okay, if I click it again, it shows up the rules. Please remember it. Once I open it, it default goes to the full screen mode. You can take it in mobile as well, but the preferred option is the laptop or a desktop. Okay, with the browsers, latest browser. Okay, use Chrome or Firefox or Safari, whichever browser you have it. Okay, so don't use the old versions of it. And if you are taking in the mobile, go in the landscape mode. That is very important. Okay, switch the landscape mode even before starting the course itself. Okay, so this is how the video will go on. So in between you will have a quiz like this, okay, where you have to take the quiz. So there will be two sets of quizzes. So the first set which you are seeing it, the same way there will be a last quiz as well. Even if you miss one question in the set, okay, you are not eligible for it, so you have to attend it. So once you complete the first quiz, you will be taken to the second half of the video, and finally you will end the video. Okay, these are the rules of the game. So please do it well, carefully. All the best. Let's make the record together.